everyone, welcome back. If you've forgotten your Barclays app password, you can reset it easily. Open the Barclays app and tap on the Forgot Password option on the login screen. Then, you're going to go ahead and enter your registered details to verify your identity. After that, Barclays will send you a security code to your registered mobile number or email. Check your SMS or check your email. If you do not see the code in your primary section, click on the top 3-line option in the top left corner. Scroll down, click on trash, check your trash or your spam. Sometimes the app glitches and sends the notifications there. After that, once you get your verification code, enter your code and follow the steps to create a new passcode. Once reset, log in again using your new credentials, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.